Find or read reviews that people are talking about Yorlu Bone Conduction Headphones, 2025 upgrade, open-ear Bluetooth 5.4 headphones with mic. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Genuine bone conduction. Bone conduction headphones utilize the latest bone conduction technology and fully enclosed cavity, providing premium loud sound through the bone. The open-ear design reducing discomfort in the ear canal from prolonged use of earphones. Featherlight and secure open-ear. Weighing just 28 grams, the Yorlu open-ear headphones feature a flexible memory titanium frame that bends to fit any head shape, staying perfectly in place even during intense workouts. The ultra-soft, skin-friendly silicone cushions gently rest against your skin, while the open-ear bone conduction design ensures all-day comfort without pressure or fatigue. Bluetooth 5.4 and 10 hours playtime. Bone conduction earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.4 technology, giving you ultra-stable connectivity for seamless pairing with all your devices. With enhanced endurance, you can enjoy up to 10 hours of playback for music, audiobooks, and podcasts. With Type-C fast charging, which is stable and universal, the Bluetooth headphones provide up to 240 hours of standby time on a single charge. IP56 Waterproof for any weather. Bone conduction headphones Bluetooth, with an IP56 waterproof rating, are designed to resist water and sweat, keeping you ready for workouts and adventures. Don't let the weather hold you back. Not suitable for underwater swimming use. Stay aware of surroundings. Maintain awareness of your surroundings while staying active in your sport. The open-ear design lets you enjoy your favorite music, audiobooks, and podcasts while staying connected to your environment, making these open-ear earbuds perfect for activities like hiking, cycling, and outdoor adventures. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.